Okay, I got this at the 99-cent only store, and I don't like the holly jolly thing, so I'm going to do a pour over this in some red, gold, and white, and I've got metallic reds, different shades. The first thing I did was tape off so I don't have the paint run onto this part here, and I also taped off the inside areas there. Now, because this is like paper, oops, let me get that on there. I had to figure out how to prop this up. This is paper covered, the metal. This is metal. And I didn't want to peel it off because then I'd have to do this whole shebang, and there'd be glue and all this stuff. So I'm just going to use liquid gesso, and I'm going to prime the paper with gesso, and that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm just going to pour a little gesso on there and spread that around. Then I'm going to let this dry, and I will come back and do the pour. But let's get this covered. Just using a sponge brush to cover this part here with gesso. And I want to get that smooth, so I'm going to smooth that out. There we go. All right. That looks pretty smoothed out. Okay, so you don't need to watch me do this side. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's dry. I sped it up with my heat gun and because I got impatient. And I'm going to do a doughy pour on this. And so I mixed metallic gold and Artist Loft Ready Mixed Gold, a red, a yellow gold from Deco Art that I mixed. And I had metallic white and I ran out, so I started using my regular mixed white. All right, let's do it. What do we got to lose? Oh my gosh, look at the cells. I think that's the metallic paints. I don't think it's going to take much paint, and I have to do the other side. I wanted to make sure the gold came out. So I'm just going to swirl this around a bit and see what kind of coverage I can get. Some of this you're going to be able to see, and some of it I'm going to be in your way. I think I might need a little more paint, come to think of it. We'll see. Yeah, I think I do need more paint. Let me add a little more paint there. Take it to the end, swirl it. I'm going to get really good coverage here. Well, that's looking pretty. I love this color combination. It really works for me. Got to get this little bit down here. So let's tilt it this way. We're getting this white thing, which is awfully cool, isn't it? I don't know if you can see it. All right, it is completely covered. And that is, the gold is just really stunning. Actually, I'm going to leave it flat. Wait for this to dry a little bit, and then do the other side. Oh gosh, I see a couple bubbles. Let's get the bubbles out. Oh my gosh, I really love the colors. I wish I could do both sides right away. This paint is going to have to sit for a little bit. I'm back, and this is completely dry. Actually, it took about 7 hours. So I did all this taping on it so that I can do the other side. And but this is how it came out. This is how it dried, and I rather like the result. So now we're going to do the other side. Let's hope that my contraption works. Well, so far so good. Okay, I made sure and measured it with the small little shot glasses so that it's level. And then I, of course, checked it out, made sure it's level, because we don't want that paint running uneven. So this is yesterday's paint. This is a new day. I'm doing this the next day. And I hope that it looks like it still stayed in layers. So we shall see if this side comes out as good as the other side. Not sure, but hey, you know what? The red is more pink. So I'm not happy about that. I don't want pink, but it is pretty pink. All right, let's just not let that run over just yet. Well, this is more than enough paint. And I still have some left, but you know, I really like the colors that are coming out at the end. So I'm probably going to let a majority of this run off because I want these other colors in here. And all right, I better not overdo it. And I still have paint left, so I don't have to tilt this very much actually, because it's already going to all the ends. Well, this is quite lovely. Actually, the red is coming through. Can you see? That's nice and red. All right, I'm going to lay that flat, and I'm going to let that dry. I'll bring it in for a close-up. Hang on. And the close-up. It started pouring out pretty pink, you know, like that, and then the red started coming. So, but I think I don't see a lot of gold. I do like the design, and I don't know if we could call those cells, but it is what it is, and it's lovely for what the purpose of it is. All right, so there you have it. I'll let you see the whole thing when it's dry. And here is the finished pour of the other side. I think that came out quite nice, at least to my liking. And so the tape didn't keep everything from spilling over. This is the first side that I did. And you know, it is what it is. It's just this got paint that leaked under the tape. That is, what is that? That's paint. I guess I could do touch-up reds on the sled part down there, but you know, I'm not quite sure what I want to do. Maybe I'll just paint that a solid color. What do you think? Yeah, probably paint this red. Yeah, I'll do that, and then and I'll do the same to that, but I won't paint the inside, which got some spills, because I'll just put stuff in it. But there you have it. It's finished, and quite lovely, except for the spillovers. Yeah, all right. That's that. Thanks for watching.